everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get the subscribe button on Instagram. So the subscribe button should appear on the profile of the user next to the email button. Now if you don't have this in your account, you might go to your profile and click on the three lines in the upper right corner and go to settings. Once you're in the settings, you may click on help. And once you're in help, click report a problem. Click include and continue. In this page, you will type in your concern about not having the subscribe button for your account. Now you'll be asking Instagram to fix this for you. Once you're done, you may click it send. Now Instagram will send you a notification that you have sent a bug problem. After that, we'll just have to wait and see if Instagram has fixed your bug, or you might also check your app has been updated or not. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.